In my previous video, I talked about the risks which precipitate the youth to commit suicide. Today, I want to discuss, albeit briefly, on suicide prevention. One is family interventions. There are telltale signs for the family members to realize that their daughters or their sons, they are ending up to a dangerous trajectory. So the family can intervene. Secondly, based still on the family, they can also take them to a family therapist or counselors so that they are taken through the process of counseling so that they are able to change those negative feelings, negative thinking to positive thinking, then they remove those negative thoughts. Then they can also be involved in regular exercise. When they are busy, their mind is going to be diverted from this negative thinking. They can also be very busy with religious activities, the church activities, youth activities, and even making trips in different places. Commitment to school, they will be busy with academic work, doing assignments, reading on their own, reading novels, and this is going to divert them. Also, having friends who will take part in conventional youth activities and community volunteer work. It's very, very important. And then finally, having a positive view to life. Positive view to life, positive view to themselves, and positive view even to life in general. Thank you very much. I hope the youths will be assisted with this. It's Muteru Kwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Have a great day.